Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to film a haul for you guys. Yeah, so just as a little disclaimer before we go all the way into the video, if it's a little bit noisier than usual in the background, because I have the fan on, because there's a child in the room and he is a fur child who's behind this pile of boxes. Secondly, I'm having an allergic reaction to something and my eye is feeling like extra juicy. Like, thought it was a sty because I've never had a sty in my eye before, but my eyes have been burning and like, what is, why is it falling apart? I don't, sir. All right, so the first item, technically I didn't buy, but I just wanted to mention it because it's something I got from the store. Why am I unzipping it? I guess because I can. But I actually got this when I purchased the new Shea Moisture Rice Water line. And if you haven't seen my review on that, I'll, be so inclined to link it below. But I got it from Ulta when I purchased that. And this is the Green Coconut Activated Charcoal Purifying and Hydrating Multi Mask. And I don't know if you remember when I tried the this line, I was missing both of these items, I believe. So let me know, comment down below if you want me to try this, because like, why not? Comment a coconut. If you want me to try this, comment a coconut and I will film it for you guys. But I have it, and it's a little sample pack, and she came with a cute little, I don't know what this is, shower cap. This is so First of all, my head's giant, so I don't know what this child's shower cap is going to do for me. But you guys, it's so cute. It's a little shower cap with a little microfiber lining. Ulta. So yeah. Comment a coconut if you want me to try this, and I will. And also, if you tried it, I'm curious, what are your thoughts on it? I just want to know. Normally I don't like to know how people feel about stuff before I try it, but I'm just kind of curious because I feel like I didn't hear nothing about this line. I mean, like, I feel like she came in and left, just like a thief in the night. So yeah, this box, if you've ever purchased from this brand before, I'm sure you know what it is, but without showing my whole address, child, it is Mielle, and I already know what's in here, but I'm gonna open it anyway. And I've had this for a minute, but I need to actually unbox it. I figure if I have a box cutter somewhere around here, but I'm a child and don't know what I did with it. But no, anyways, I figured I would go ahead and see, I was opening it the wrong way. Go ahead and open it because that will force me to try the product, and I'm curious still about this product because I want to know, like, what's all the hype about? Like, does it live up to the hype? Like, it's, let a young thug know. Good God, here. Oh man, it has packing peanuts. These things get everywhere. All right, so this is cute. Okay, I've never purchased anything from them online before, so she's cute. A little, okay. All right, first item is, in no particular order, I'm just pulling here. This is the Moisturizing Overnight Conditioner, and okay, it's thick, but see, it's got a little bit of movement to it. You see her, she is thick, but she can move. See what I did there? Yeah, so this is supposed to be something that you apply overnight, allegedly, and yeah, I don't know how I feel about overnight stuff because, like, I just feel like I don't have time to be going to sleep with stuff in my hair overnight. Also, I notice when I do that, it makes my scalp itch quite a bit. So yeah, there's that. But so yeah. So the next one is the Moisturizing Styling Gel. And I was curious about the consistency of this one because, okay, it is not how I thought at all. You guys can clearly tell I've watched 0 reviews on this. Oh, I like the smell of it. I thought it was going to be like the oh my gosh, the Main Choice Cheers jelly, where it was like very stringy, but no, it's not. It's very, very intrigued. I did that like it was gonna do something. What am I gonna learn by that? Just off of first impressions, like, I just don't know. It seems like this gel has maybe too high of a water content in it. I don't know. Well, I'm very intrigued by this. I wanna know what she's all about. I don't know. very interested. The next one is the Moisturizing Hair Butter, and I mean, it's a, it's more like a cream to me than like a butter, but we'll find out soon enough. Yeah, it seems more cream-like. But this is supposed to be, I'm assuming, like a styler. Yeah, and it also says it's a creamy hair butter. Look at that. But it's supposed to lock in moisture and all that jazz. Not about to get into it. Hold on. Oh, it's right here. Sorry. I thought my container had, I mean it did, but like I could just do that. The next one is the, what is this on here? The leave-in conditioner, and am I supposed to use this with the hair butter? She don't say. She'll say. I gotta figure out how to use this. If anyone's used this line, let me know if you use this and the hair butter together. Because I feel like there's a lot of hydration, and then like that, the hair butter and the gel, like girl, that seems like a lot. And I feel like I ordered 5 items. So where's the 5th one? Oh, okay, here we go. Get out of here. Oh, did this spill? Oh, some of this spilled, I think. Yeah, it definitely did. Not a lot though. I still got like most of the product in there. And this is the Moisturizing Scalp Treatment. Now this, I don't like spraying stuff directly on my scalp, but I'm gonna do it because I want to know what exactly are you supposed to do? Just moisturize? Menthol? Am I supposed to get cold? Is it supposed to be a tingle? It's supposed to relieve sketchy scalp. Girl, itchy scalp. What kind of portmanteau slash, I don't even know what that was that I just tried to make. Amalgamation of just letters and words. But isn't that what every word is? You know, someone made it up. I don't know what I'm talking about. Y'all, I had a nap today and I am still loopy. Alright. So we've moved right along with that. I feel like the whole video I've just, am I even in camera frame? I don't know. We'll find out when I edit. Alright, so next item, I genuinely don't know what this is. It's from Amazon. I gotta start opening this up quicker because like it's gonna be something that I open that I hate or like I want to return, and by the time I open it I pass the policy. Amazon is thriving because of people like me. Oh, I forgot about this. Sorry, this has nothing to do with hair, but y'all are getting this because it's in a haul slash unboxing slash whatever I title this video. This is one of these things that remove like lint from sweaters. I actually got it to remove lint. I have linen cushion covers and stuff like that, and you know sometimes the fabric will like get beaded up, like it'll get other stuff on it. So instead of like picking off the little pieces of lint, you just go through and you just it's a fabric shaper. I forgot I ordered this. This is a better picture of it. Can you see? Yeah, yay. So I'll link it below if you're looking for one, because this had bomb reviews, and you know, no one has time to pick off little lint thingies one by one. And also, I don't know if you notice, if you wear blazers, like I like wearing a lot of blazers, around the elbow area, it seems to get the, those little lint pieces. Super annoying. All right, and the last product is, I know what this is, but I don't know what's in here. This is from Creole Belle Organics. And, y'all, I gotta find, like, I'm gonna bring this home soon. If you guys don't know, now you know, I have used this brand many a times. I love their stuff. I haven't used every single thing from their line, so I'm intrigued. There's some new in here. Why am I such a child? Help. Help me. Oh, I figured. We're good. We're good. Okay. Ooh, I'm off of packaging. And I got another goodie here. Alright. May have caused a sweat bath in here. So the first product that is not inside the cute little box that I just showed is the Jazz It Up Curling Custard. Ooh, for a curling custard. I know how I feel about a good curling custard. Oh, she got a little bit of bounce to the oh, she has bounce to the ounce. Oh, watery. Okay. We about to find out how I'm gonna feel about these high water content products, because apparently that's the new thing on the market. These are what the kids are asking for. Yeah, and it says defines and moisturizes curls or coils. So we got both for y'all, okay? All right, and the next one, how cute is this packaging? I'm a sucker for some good packaging. All right, in here, oh, this is so cute. Hey, super cute. I love little inserts and stuff. Oh my gosh, it's a sticker. I could put my laptop. Such a child. All right, so the first item here, used this before and I love it. This is the Bayou Splash leave-in conditioner. I actually think I filmed a review on this. I'm gonna link it down below. Anything from this line that I filmed before, I'll link it down below so you guys can see. So yeah, definitely tried that before, love it. The Big Easy Moisturizing and Detangling Co-Wash. Yo, did I film a review on this one? I'm pretty sure I did, but I did love this. Yo, did that review ever go up? That's gonna bother me. If I haven't filmed it, I will make sure to let you guys know my thoughts on it, but that's gonna bother me. I think I filmed a review on this, but I love this too. I love a good co-wash. Like, it's weird. I have this thing about co-washes where majority of the year I feel like they're completely unnecessary and skin behavior, but in the summer it's so hot, like my scalp will get so sweaty and feel so icky, like I need to wash my hair, but also like I don't need to wash my hair. So co-washes come through with the come through. Like, you know, we have this thing going on. Oh my god, there's a pen in here. I told you I'm a child. I just can't, trust me. I know I filmed a review on this like 8 million times. I'm a sucker for this. This is the Pralines and Cream Body Butter. Y'all, it smells, oh my god, it makes me so hungry. Every time I smell it, I did this thing, right? I did this thing. No, but I did this thing where I added peppermint oil to this, and then I like mixed it all together and made like this. It smelled like a chocolate chip brownie peppermint conglomerate. I don't know. It smelled like basically like a peppermint fudge brownie or something. I don't know, peppermint fudge bark, whatever. It smells so good. I did this like around Christmas time. I think I put it in like a favorites video, y'all. Oh my gosh, but this stuff just real fast. You just, okay, it's just what? Look at that. Look at, she's, see her, she's glistening. You are gold. Sorry. Look at that. Look at that. Where is the scar coming from? Tomboy, can't trust myself. I bruise so easily. Love this stuff. Oh my gosh. My mouth watered, it's fine. Oh, I can't remember if I tried the jelly or the custard, if I've never tried neither. Gosh. I feel like I have so much stuff I need to try. Ooh, you see this one? I don't want to pour it all out, but you see that one? She got a little bit more movement than her friend. She got a little bit more bounce to the ounce. Okay, this one, she thicker than her friend. I can see it's not, oh. Whew. Damn, that smells good. All of this stuff makes me hungry. Like, who needs a snack? Who needs a snack? I do. Oh, I feel like this is going to be the one. It's something about her. It's something about her. She feels right. This Crescent City Styling Jelly. I just know. Sometimes I just know. Don't disappoint me. And last is the Wild Magnolia Growth Oil. I love this stuff. This is a staple. Also, the fact that it has this type of applicator where I can just put it directly to the scalp, I'm always here for. Always and forever. Each moment with this type of nozzle applicator. All right, yeah. I think I've rambled. I don't even know what I've honestly told you guys throughout this video. I don't know what's going on anymore. So I'm going to quit while I'm ahead. I'm probably already behind. But yeah, I just wanted to force myself to unbox this stuff. And I know if I do it on camera, I'm forcing myself. So yeah, I think that is it. Let me know what you guys want to see most down below. Comment in the comment section down below what y'all want me to see most. What y'all want me to review most. What am I even saying right now? Yeah, so don't forget to like this video if you liked it. It helps my channel out a ton. You guys have no idea how much likes help out my channel. And also when you guys comment and engage, it makes me so happy because y'all are hilarious and gives me someone to laugh at other than myself. So yeah, comment down below which one you want to try first. If you are still here, you have stuck with me through this video and you're a real one, so comment a banana. Because why not? Why not? Yeah, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if y'all have any questions down below. Follow me on Instagram if you don't already. And Passion Twist video will be up next week. I don't want y'all to ask me to drop the Addy so y'all can fight me. So I'm gonna make sure it's up next week, okay? Alright, I think that is it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Wow, you're not grown. Come on, come back in here. Where are you going? Come on. Come on, dude. Back in the... Hello, I know you hear me. Come on, dude. Thanks. You're so young. Bless you. I wish y'all could see how aggressive he gets when he crocodiles. It is. Bless you. Thanks. Come on. The bull. Oh, okay. That's fine. I didn't care about that.